Now that we have your ES12 programmed and ready for the range, let's look at how to start our first range session. First, we're going to take our ES12 and we're going to make sure that it's powered on. We're going to set it down on the range, and then we're going to take our iPad, phone, or Android device, and we're going to go into our Earnest Sports ES12 app. As you open the app, you're going to notice top left corner is going to say New Range Session. Then in the next screen, it's going to ask you to name your range session. We're going to call this one ES12, and then we're going to touch Start Your Range Session, or Start Session. Next screen comes up. You'll notice in the top left corner it says Receiving Data. Now we know we're ready to start making shots. Now we're going to take our ball and we're going to set it up behind the ES12. But proper ball placement is crucial. So about 12 inches behind the ES12 and 12 inches towards the golfer is where we want to be. If you're having a hard time judging distance, you can use your shoes. Approximately one back and one over will give you your ball placement. Also, your ES12 you have set up with Bluetooth earlier, and before we open the app, we want to make sure that Bluetooth is connected, so it will receive the data. Now we're ready to take our first shot.
Distance 153 yards.
As you notice, after each shot, you're going to hear an audible voice come on and tell you how far you hit the ball. When we pick up our app and we look at our shots that we just logged, to the right you're going to see straight. Now if you touch straight, your next one will show left. If you touch it again, right, and again goes back to straight. This is to help you better log your shots so you can analyze your data more accurately later. And as we continue to hit shots, it'll continue to feed lines of data into the app. And that's it for your first range session with the ES12.